Hey guys, Trails and Turf Garage. We are working on the trailer bumper. We just got the old one cut off. I'll put some footage into that. We've got this piece of 2x3 by 1/8 inch steel tubing. We've got it jacked up against the bottom right now, and then we've got the door shimmed up to try to figure out where it's going to want to live. It looks like it's going to work. I think it's all coming together. I'm going to have to grind some rust off the frame underneath so that I have some places to weld the bumper to. So I had to take the door back off again for that. But once I get some grinding done, we're going to weld on the bumper where it's going to live, and then we're going to mount the door. It's the next day. Today we're working on the bumper. I'm planning to weld today. Our plan is here for now. I want to add these bungs for trailer jacks in the corners, and I also want a 45 on the ends of this bumper. So I'm gonna mark it at the end of this bung, and we're gonna cut off the corner. All right, we got the corners cut off. I am going to measure where I'm gonna slot this end piece at, and then we're gonna bend it and then weld where we cut the slot at. I'm leaving a little overhang on this side so that I have plenty of room to weld. I'll do this side as soon as I get it bent to the right angle. I scored it with the cutoff saw, and then I bent it to the angle I wanted in the vise. Now I can mark where I want to cut it off. that's basically how the ends are gonna look. Again, I am not a professional welder, but it's good enough for a $300 trailer. Time for the other side. That'll do. Bumper's all done. Maybe tomorrow we can weld it on the trailer. Before I close it up for the night, I thought I'd show you what the trailer bungs were all about. That's just in case I want to use these jacks if I am loading something heavy that I think will tip it a little bit, or if I'm loading something without it connected to a truck or a vehicle, or possibly if I end up sleeping in it, it'll help me level it. That's what that's all about, if you're wondering. Alright guys, we let this thing sit a little too long before we got finished painting it. We got some surface rust already. And we forgot one weld on the top here. So we're gonna finish that up and then hopefully get it painted today. Maybe install some seals, we'll see. Not bad for an amateur, that'll work. I didn't talk about it much on video, but I ended up going with these cylindrical style hinges, 3-piece ones with the grease fitting in the middle. And I mounted them both the same direction so that if we want to, we can slide the door right off this way if we need to service it. We got the paint finished up. Time to make sure it closes one more time. All right. Good enough for me. It's about to storm out here, guys, but I wanted to work on the trailer for a second, see if we could get the tape off, and then see if maybe we could put the seals on the door. Or it all breaks loose out here. I left it on for a little bit too long, and then it rained a few times. know somebody's gonna say I should have got the jacks with the hand cranks on the side, but I already bought these for a previous project, so that's what we're using. They work pretty good. I just wanted to show you guys what the whole point of the jacks on the corners was before we tied this all up. The whole weight of the trailer is on the 2 rear jacks and the 1 front jack, so it worked out just how I wanted it to. Alright guys, that wraps up the trailer door build. We might still do thicker seals on the sides one of these days, but I'm going to call it good enough for now. There's nothing too important in there anyways. Well, that's going to do it for this video, this time on Trails and Turf Garage. Give us a like or a follow if you want to see some more.